All right, guys, time to do the weekly update at Lowe. See if they got any good deals after the holidays. So the first deal that I saw as soon as I walked through the door was the Project Source 3-gallon pancake air compressor. Had this at $39.98. That's actually $10 cheaper that they had it for during the holiday sale. It was at $49.98. So not a bad deal, another $10 off. I also found some clearance deals on some portable grills. So these are kind of like camping grills. So here's a 2-burner tabletop style down to $59.92. This was $189. Great for you guys camping, maybe tailgating, something like that. That is by Camp Chef. And then below that they had a Coleman. And this comes with the stand and everything. This was $127.62, regularly $319. This is their road trip grill. I actually own one of these, really nice portable grill here. This has the 3 burners, 20,000 BTU, so another really good pickup. So if you guys are looking for barbecues and stuff, you might want to check out your Lowe's. Seems like they had a decent amount discounted, clearanced out at mine. Here's a Charbroil Patio Bistro. Was $200 down to $80. Now this one is electric. They had a few of those in stock. This is the true infrared. I also had the Weber Traveler. So this is Weber's version of that Coleman grill I showed you guys earlier. This was also $300 regularly, down to $194.37. This one also comes with the foldable stand, so really nice and portable, easy to take on those camping trips. They also had the Weber 22-inch kettle copper grill. Pretty decent discount on this. This was $239 all the way down to $95.62. They also had a Weber on a special value sale. So this is regularly $499. Had it down to $449. This is the 2-burner Spirit 210 in stainless steel. It's got the foldable shelves on both sides. Now for outdoor power equipment, they did have this Ego self-propelled 21-inch mower on sale. Was $749 down to $549. And this is going to come with the 10 amp hour battery and the charger. So not a bad pickup there. Not a whole lot of deals going on for the outdoor power equipment. This is pretty much the only one that I've seen that had a special value going on at my local Lowe's. Now, if you guys are looking for some deals for appliances, Lowe's is doing their closeout event. And they had some select freezers, fridges on sale. So here's an 8.2 cubic foot deep freezer, $299, so $100 off on that. That was $399. And then over here they had a little bit larger deep freezer by Kenmore. And this one was $599, another $100 discount, clearanced out to $499. They also had an upright freezer, huge discount on this one, was $949, clearanced out to $599. And this is a Frigidaire freezer, and this one is a 13 cubic foot freezer, so pretty big freezer there. They also had a clearance deal on a 15.5 cubic foot freezer, $938. Down to $649. Another pretty good deal. And then they had a 18 cubic foot freezer. This was $1050 down to $779. They also had some deals going on for the Hisense appliances. So here's the Smart Wine Cooler, 54 bottle capacity, stainless steel. It's got the glass door on the front. This was $899. Saved $350 for a special value of $549. They also had some mini fridges on sale, a few different sizes. So here is the 4.4 cubic foot mini fridge by Hisense, down to $239. It's got your freezer up top and then the fridge on the bottom. And then they also had another Hisense here, mini fridge for $149. This is $189. They also had a Hisense beverage cooler. This was $249 down to $179. And this has a 48 can capacity, stainless steel with the glass door up front. There is a look at the dimensions. You guys looking for a smaller mini fridge? They also had the Hisense 3.3 cubic foot mini fridge, and this was coming in at $159. They also had the 1.6 cubic foot Hisense for $99. This one comes in black. And then they had a 2.5 cubic foot, $129 for this one. It was $159. So a bunch of mini fridges and beverage coolers by Hisense on sale right now at Lowe's. All right, so we'll go ahead and jump into some deals on the tools. So here's the Klein screwdriver kit, $22. This is down to $12.57. It comes with your stubby and your 11-in-1 screwdriver, all your tips, get your Phillips, your flatheads. So nice multi-bit set by Klein. They also had some Klein tape measures marked down. So 2-pack of the compact 25 footers, $14.98 for these, and these were $24.98. Right next to that, they had the Craftsman Pro Reach 25 footer, only a single one here, $14.98. So definitely pick up the Klein if you can find them for $14.98, a lot better deal. And then over here they had the Craftsman in the neon green. This is a 3-pack, so you get the 25 foot, 16 foot, and the 12 foot. And this was coming in about $13. They also had a deal going on for some Cobalt wrenches. So this is the 8-piece, and this is the flex head. They only had these marked down for the SAEs, but these are the ratcheting ones, $39.88. These were $99.98. But like I said, at my store, it's just SAEs, not the metrics. And then he also had a deal going on for the Jurgensen clamps. So here's the 48-inch, 1,500-pound capacity, $39.98. They had the 36-inch for $34.98. And then they also had the 24-inch for $29.98. They also had a new lower price on the Craig jig. So here's the 520 Pro. New lower price, $79.98. That was $89.98 during the holidays. And then they had the 320 down to $44.98. And during the holiday sale, that one was $49.98. They also had some deals going on for DeWalt. So right here, it was $2.99. This is the 4-piece toolkit. But they had a special value for $2.49 at my store. It's not a bad pickup there. And then they also had the DeWalt XR 7-piece toolkit. This was on sale for $5.99, but they actually lowered the price on this even more. So right now at my local store, it's $5.49. They got the buy one, get one going on for the 12-volt Extreme. So if you buy one of these select kits, got the 2-tool combo kit for $199, drill driver kit for $149, or the impact for $149. Pick one of those up, one of those kits up. You'll be able to pick up one of these tools for free. Got the oscillating tool, recip saw, battery, circular saw. They got the ratchet, and they got the impact wrench. Another deal that they have that was during the holiday sale also was your choice, $99. You can pick up the compact job site blower kit. But if you guys look right here, they actually lowered the price on the task light kit or the job site Bluetooth speaker kit. $89 for each one of these. So dropped it $10, which is nice to see. Another deal they got for DeWalt, your choice, $99. Multiple different kits here. They got the drill kit, 1/4-inch impact driver kit, multi-tool kit, 2-pack of the 3-amp-hour batteries, or you can get the wet and dry vacuum kit. Found a DeWalt clearance deal here. So this is the DeWalt cutter attachment. So this one's for copper. A few bucks off on this, down to $99. And then they also had the PVC PEX cutter attachment, also $99. Another buy one, get one going on for DeWalt. So 4-pack of the batteries for $199. You get one free tool. If you pick up the 5-amp-hour starter kit for $279, you get 2 free tools. And then they also got the 2-tool combo kit, $399. You get 2 free tools with that one. Here's a look at all the free tools to choose from for DeWalt. And they have a pretty large selection, so it won't be hard to find what you need. Also seen some t-shirts clearanced out for DeWalt. These were $20. So this is the 100-year DeWalt long sleeve shirts. It does say extra, extra large in black. Might be all of these. Not sure if that was a misprint or not on the clearance deal. Still got the buy one, get one going on for Cobalt. So if you pick one of the kits on the bottom, the storage suitcase starter kit for $149, you get 1 free tool, or you can pick up the 4-tool combo kit for $249. You get a choice of 2 free tools. They had some tools up top there, but then if you look at the bottom, they actually had a few more tools to choose from. So they got the circular saw, some impact wrenches, the router, a couple lights, sander, so a bunch of tools to choose from for Cobalt. They also had a limited time special value on the 2-amp-hour Cobalt starter kit, so you're going to get the 2-amp-hour battery and charger. $29 for that, not a bad deal. Usually the 2 amp hour battery itself is just $29, but I checked that out, and they also have a deal going on for the 2 amp hour battery. If you just buy it separately, only 20 bucks. It's not a bad deal. Then they also had the 4 amp hour battery down to $39. Also found a clearance deal on a set of Cobalt wrenches. This is the 5-piece large wrench set. 10 bucks off on these. These were $34.98. Had them marked down to $24.98. And this was only available in SAE. They didn't have any metrics. They only had a couple left of these. Another random table set up with clearance items on it. Only thing that I found that was tool related was this Cobalt 300 watt power inverter. This is for the 40 volt batteries, but they had this marked down to $24.99. 300 watts continuous output, 3 USB outlets, and you got your AC outlet on there also. They also had some Cobalt tool sets on sale. So to the left there, they got the 50-piece mechanic tool set, $19.98, 55-piece tool set for 40 bucks, and then $100 for the 297-piece mechanic tool set. And there's a better look at what you'll get in each kit. As you can see, that 50-piece kit, you're going to get a lot of bits with that one. And then the one to the far right, pretty nice. A lot of tools in that one. You got your drawers to pull out, 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. They also had a special value going on for the Cobalt router table combo. So you get your router and the table. $129 for this. This was $179. And the router you're going to get is a 12 amp fixed base router, 400 square inches of space to work with. You also got the buy one, get one going on for Flex still. You get the free 2.5 amp hour battery kit when you purchase one of these tools. Huge selection here for Flex, which is pretty nice. They do have a lot of nailers over to the right that they included in this buy one, get one. They also had some pro deals going on from Metabo. So you got the impact driver kit, $99. This was $149. They got the 18 gauge narrow crown stapler, $169. That's also a kit. And then they got the 23 gauge pin nailer for $200. Like I said, these are kits. So you get this 2 amp hour battery included with it. Guys, looking for some Skil power tools, they also got a buy one, get one going on for that. So if you buy one of the battery starter kits, you get a select 12 volt tool for free. There's the buy and get item numbers there for you. And then they also had a deal going on for the flip drill kit. Was $99.98 down to $79.98. And this is pretty cool. Kind of like a 2-in-1. It's got the flip design there. So you can put drill bit on one side and maybe a Phillips bit on the other. Nice tool to have to speed up your projects. They also had some lower prices on the Craftsman combo kit. So here's the 6-tool combo kit. Was $329 down to $199. And with this one, you get the multi-tool, the drill, impact driver. You do get a light. You get the circular saw and the recip saw. 2 of the 2 amp hour batteries, the charger, and a bag. They also had a deal going on for a 4-tool combo kit. So this one is a $149. You get the recip, impact driver, the drill, and a light. And this one also comes with 2 2 amp hour batteries, the charger, and the bag. They also had an 8-tool combo kit. This one is $229. It was $249. So this one you get the light, drill, you get a fan, impact driver, jigsaw, sander, circular saw, and the multi-tool. And this one only comes with 2 1.5 amp hour batteries, charger, and the bag. And then they also had a clearance deal on a 4-tool Craftsman combo kit. But this one comes with the hard VersaStack case. And you'll get the drill, impact driver. You do get a light again, and then the circular saw. So this one's nice because it comes with the hard case. And this one was $229. They also had a new lower price on this Craftsman workstation. So this is a 63-inch workstation. This is their patriotic version, down to $599. Up to 1,500 pounds weight capacity, and the drawer load is 100 pounds. This is a 9-drawer setup, the S2000 series. And the patriotic flag that's on there, it is magnetic. So for whatever reason, if you did want to pull it off, you could pull it off. It's just held on there by magnets. But I thought that looked pretty cool $5.99, not too bad of a deal. And it does have the soft closed drawers, wood top. So pretty nice looking workstation by Craftsman. They also had a deal on the Cobalt. This is the 46-inch 9-drawer, $3.98. So $100 off on this. This is $4.98 and is available in other colors besides white. 1,200 pound total capacity on this one. And this also has the soft closing drawers. They also had the Cobalt tool cart marked down to $179 for this one. So pretty low price on this, competitive with the U.S. General at Harbor Freight. Still like the build quality on the U.S. General a little bit better, but they're kind of doing the multiple different colors, kind of like U.S. General does. But $179 for that. So if you guys are looking for a Cobalt tool cart, there you go. They also got the Cobalt case stack marked down. This was $149. Was $219, so pretty good discount on that. They also got the Cobalt 52-inch folding table. New lower price, $199. This was $239. This is probably one of my favorites. I was going to try to pick this up last year, but I could never catch it on sale. But I like this because it folds up flat and you can store it away. So it's got a small shop or garage. So pretty convenient for those situations. Nice build quality on it. It's got the shelves on the bottom. Wood top. So I definitely like this as a temporary workstation. They also had some special deals going on for the Gladiator storage cabinets. So they got the large cabinet down to $319.99. This was $400. They also had the smaller floor cabinet down to $239.99. This was $300. And then they also got the wall mounted cabinet, was $199 down to $159. And if you go to Lowe's, you always got to check the back aisle to see if you can find any really good deals. So I did see that they had some of the Craftsman V-Series ratchets marked down. So here is the 1/4-inch drive ratchet down to $12.98. These aren't the flex heads, but these are supposed to be comparable to Snap-on, so they're supposed to be pretty good quality. They also had the 3/8-inch ratchet down to $14.98. So they had a few of those in stock. And then next to that, they did have the flex head 3/8-inch ratchet for the same price at $14.98. And over here, they had a 38-piece 1/4-inch standard socket set, the V-Series for Craftsman, $34.98 for this. And then they also had an 18-piece V-Series socket set, 3/8 drive, and this is in millimeter. And this was also clearanced out for $34.98. This actually came in a pretty nice case. Seemed real durable. And then there's a quick look at everything that's going to come in this kit. So a pretty nice setup for the V-Series. And then the only other deal I seen back here was the Sharpshooter 2.1 drywall hopper gun. They had this marked down to $66.82. This was $119. All right, guys, so that's going to be about it for this one. Just a quick run through of what I found at my local Lowe's after the holiday sale. Hopefully they really start discounting and marking down these prices, getting some more clearance deals out there. I'll be doing some videos weekly again. So if you guys are interested in that and you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. If you guys like the video, make sure you smash that like button. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.